To understand today's gospel reading, we must go back to Jesus' times. The religious leaders of Jews were called rabbis. And the rabbis told the people, if your brother or sister sins against you, 3 times you can forgive them, maximum 3 times. So Peter thought he is extra generous. Therefore he comes to Jesus and asks a question. If my brother sins against me, how many times shall I forgive him? 7 times? Jesus says, not 7 times, 70 times 7. What that means? Literally it means 490. But Jesus meant innumerable times. Every time your brother asks forgiveness, forgive him. And then Jesus tells that parable.